Well, Boone, give me a little bump here. It wasn't anything too committed. Yeah, I'm just letting you check it out. I didn't think it was anything too serious. But you never know. Could have a bear right here or a lion. But he's not seeming to turn anything up, and I haven't seen a track. But yeah. All the water running right there. And come up to see it just turns to dirt. So pretty sweet. There's might get dry for the hounds for here for a little bit, but they'll be okay. Well, we've got to clear up in here, making our big giant loop, and it's about time to have some lunch on Mocha. But yeah, let's see, we got all the dogs right here. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna have to set her down my leather gloves. Don't work on my touch screen. Sometimes I do, most of the time I don't. What's up, Cheese? What's up, big fella? Now get out of here. Oh, go and get Cheese. Go and get. Oh, let's see. Let's get zoomed out here. Get Boone. So we started right where the color starts. When we walked out, made a big giant loop down this side where it says I've lost a pearl. And then clear down to where it says I've lost zip. Their colors just ain't working real well. And then we come clear along the face. And then cut her back up in this canyon and walk clear up in here. Then we're gonna come across and we will come down this next one down. And my truck's parked where it says Spud. But yeah, that's pretty much our plan. So what I'm gonna pretty much do right now is get me some lunch out, keep these dogs fought off, and get me a drink, and then we'll get back after it. Got me some customers. They ain't getting none. They've been eating trashy bones and shit all day. Go on get. Go on get. Yeah. I'm gonna have me some lunch. And see in a bit. Well, we're still walking canyons. I haven't found a bear awake yet, but we'll keep walking, hiking, looking for them. Since we still got some pretty good drifts out here. The dogs are fired up, ready to go. But we haven't found much. They found more bones than anything. It'll be another month and a half before these solid chunks of ice are gone, but what a beautiful day. The sun's starting to come out. We just got back to the truck. And it's a nice long walk. It's a beautiful day, though it wasn't bad at all. Went up in that great big canyon there and made a big old loop and come back down. Well, walking through here, we finally hit something. Oh, we was clear over where it's blue, clear over in there, walking earlier today, and then we come over into this stuff to See if we could find anything over here. It seems the dogs are picking up on something. Just the way they're moving, I imagine it's a mountain lion here in the dirt. A bear that'd be moving a little bit faster. There was an old lion track in here yesterday. No sign of bears anywhere. But with a little bit of rain, there's a little bit of moisture in here. Oh no, smelling it under the tree over there. Soul's End. Yeah, we'll see if we can't get them moving through here. I imagine it's moved across the ridges here. But all we can do is work at it a bit and see if we can't figure it out. Two old men are working right here. Ono's already working out the ridge here. Oh, them are the two old guys. They'll be bringing up the rear, but they're not doing anything if you're hunting them in the dirt. They're just slow. They like to smell all the tracks instead of smell. Oh, nothing better than this. Out here in the most beautiful country. Got a bird swinging in to check us out. Hound dogs are rolling. Good days.
And we ended up not catching this lion. It ended up getting a little bit warm. The dogs was struggling to trail, so we just saved it for the next day. And as you can see in this video, that I don't have any dogs with me. We ended up finding a bear, and I was walking to the tree, but I forgot my GoPro, so all this is just off my phone. So yeah, of course, the first bear of the season, I forget my camera.
Well, just getting up here to the dogs. We've got a bear caught right over there. Well, we'll get over there and we'll have a look at it.
Remember, get another one. Shoot it if you can see it.
Here, young guys.
Figured I'd get my camera out, walking along here, and found some bear tracks. We caught the first bear of the season yesterday. These ones don't look super old, but that almost looks like it would be a sow and a cub, maybe. Jeez, get out of the way. But they don't look super old, but this ground's a little bit moist. So they're a little older, it looks like. But yeah, the main highway's just ways on our way out of here. It's probably just 500 yards right there. Just walking out this little old road we just found.
Well, we didn't catch anything today either. We come in here just kind of investigating this little canyon. It ended up working out pretty good because, I mean, we did find some bear tracks. So we do know that it's worth coming in here and looking in the future. And even when you don't catch anything, it's still a good day because, I mean, I've always got pups with me. They're learning how to move through the country and just getting comfortable. Just like anybody that's going to walk out in this country, they'll have to get comfortable in this deep country. not anybody just comes out here and they're like, oh my goodness, this is easy stuff to walk through. You know, you got to get used to it. And just like pups, they've been down on the flat ground, running through the desert, and getting used to that kind of terrain. And now they come up here on the mountain, and now they're getting used to this kind of country. So it's always a good learning. And I mean, look at that view. Even Bo sitting up on the rock right there, he's taking it in. Absolutely spectacular. I love the mountains. Pretty rough looking, but she is beautiful.
Oh, looks like we got our lion found from the other day. We're getting started down there. I think it rimmed around and went that way. Oh no, he seems to have it figured out. I'll go down here and get these other dogs rolling. Oh, we're still trailing. Oh no, he's out there at about that far point. Everybody else is a little bit closer. But I just heard him opening a bit ago, and he's kind of hauling butt now. Getting away from the pack. He'll probably go catch this thing by himself. Looks like the dogs are treed up right over here to the pine tree. Hopefully we've got this thing. I've been after him for about 4 or 5 days. A whole lot of miles, but I think they've caught up to him over there. We just have another like 300 yards of this rough country. Well, got over here. I thought I was on that Tom, but I trailed him all the way over here, and then I must have just T-boned himself. Screaming halt pretty fast. But there hasn't been a bear track in any of the country we've been walking. We've been traveling mountain lion country. But they caught him a grizz. This one gets to be a challenge, is getting these babies out of there. Come on, dogs. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Woo! Come on, oh no, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. We'll go see if we can't get back on this Tom. Bears ruined our hunt. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Here, 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 here. Come here, let's go. Come here, let's go. Woo! Oh, now they're all run back to the tree, treeing hard again. And I have to walk back and just try it again. A lot of people leash them and get them out of there leashed, but I hunt too many to be trying to pull all these dogs on a leash. Yeah, they're all fired up again. I have to let them die down just a bit. And we'll try to get their attention and get them out of here. like to leave. Thank God I got a few pups today. They don't quite know the system. They'll leave a lot easier than like Ono and Boone, Millie and Zip them. Spud all them older dogs. We'll get them going, and then once I get them out of here, I'll start videoing again. This is just going to be a pain. Well, we finally got them all off the tree. Got them about a canyon over, so I don't have to deal with them blowing up and taking back off. But it gets to be a mess. They don't like to leave the tree too often. But another spot that's pretty cool is water running out right there and dry all the way out past that. And we got a stream coming down. So now the dog's in water, they'll get rehydrated after that tree and that bark and dries them out pretty good. Starting to warm up, they're seeking a little shade. That's how it'll get cooled out nice coming down this canyon. Being shade for most of it. Well, it looks like we're ledged off. We're gonna have to find another way around. Come back. Well, we just made it down here to the bottom. You got Mac coming to say hello. Hey boys. Everybody's kind of just taking a break for a minute. But where we caught them bears was clear up there, that very far ridge up there. They had to have just had a den right there, come out of hibernation or something. But we come all the way out that canyon. We didn't hit that tom again. We did cut a female and a sub-adult track in there, but they was old. But the day's late, we're done for the day. We'll make our way back to the truck. But another good day up on the mountain.
Come on. You good? Oh, I'm good, bud. come down.